Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build your avatar before you purchase anything. So search catalog avatar creator and just press play. And what you can actually do in this game is that you can kind of like decide on what to wear before you actually purchase it so that it looks good. So to do that, you're just going to either go to catalog or stores. I just go to catalog. Actually, yeah, I do go to the catalog one, and you're just going to select for instance, you want to look through accessories, you're going to select that. And then, for instance, you want to try on these first before you purchase them. You're just going to like press on it and you're going to select try first. As you can see, it doesn't fit my face. It makes it look weird. So I'm just going to remove it by pressing it here or here and selecting take off or remove. I don't know why it's like a little bit buggy right now, but you're just going to do that. And then here I'm just going to try this bow, and it looks pretty cute, so I'm just gonna have that on. As you can see here, you can also try hairs, outfits, and stuff like that, and mix and match it before you actually purchase your outfit. So let me just remove this hair, and I want to try on this one. And I think it looks pretty cute, so just mix and match it with your outfit and stuff like that. But that is pretty much it. You can also buy it from this place. So if you're too lazy to go back and like find the hairstyle or the outfit, you can just go to catalog and here go to buy, and then you're just going to purchase it. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.